So what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you how to download your leads from Salesforce into an Excel spreadsheet. The best way to do this is to run a report. So from your home page, select the Reports tab at the top like so. That will take you to your Reports page. To open up a new one, you need to go to the top right and click New Report. Then a number of different options will come up for you. For this, we want to download all the leads we have, so we just select leads here and then come across to Start Report. This will come up with a preview to start with, but then when you click Run up here in the top right, then the report will be run for you. Now, in order to actually get this into an Excel spreadsheet, the top right again, you click the little down icon and click Export. Now for this, we don't need any encoding, so I'll go to the Excel format .xlsx and then just click Export. That will download up here. If you open that, it will show you it in an Excel spreadsheet form.